Hello everyone, today I'd like to share with you my favorite banana bread recipe. I love this recipe because it is moist, full of banana flavor, and makes everyone run to the kitchen. So let's get baking. For this recipe, you will need overripe bananas as they provide sweetness, flavor, and texture. Before you begin, make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature. Start by mashing the bananas. Then add the oil and yogurt and whisk well to combine. Add maple syrup, then give it a quick mix. Then add the egg, salt, cinnamon, and vanilla. Whisk all ingredients until fully incorporated, then stir in the fresh lemon juice. To your whole wheat flour, combine baking soda and mix well. Add the flour to the banana mixture in 3 parts, gently folding in the flour. Be careful not to overmix, as this will result in a dense bread. If you want to add nuts, chocolate chips, or dried fruit, add it on top of the last addition of flour. The flour will prevent them from sinking to the bottom. If you're feeling adventurous, you can garnish the top of your bread with nuts or banana slices for a more rustic look. Transfer the batter into a greased loaf dish and bake for 55 to 60 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Allow your bread to cool to room temperature before slicing. If you enjoyed this recipe and want to see more videos, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.